Dear students, in this video we're going to discuss MCQs of the essay The Eclipse. Let's begin. The first question is the essay The Eclipse has been written by Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf, Virginia Austen, Virginia Woolf, and the right option is Virginia Woolf. The essay The Eclipse has been written by Virginia Woolf. The next question is a very large number of people travel to the east, the west, the south, the north. And as you have read the essay, a very large number of the people travel to the north, and north is the right option. Next question comes here. The eclipse took place in which country? The eclipse that has been mentioned by Virginia Woolf in her essay, the eclipse that was took place in England, America, India, Russia, and the right answer is England. The eclipse took place in England. The next question is the eclipse took place on dash night. Which night? July night, August night, June night, or March night. And you know that the eclipse took place on June night, and the right answer is June. The eclipse remained only dash seconds. Yes, this is a critical one, and there seems a difficult one also. The eclipse remained only dash seconds. Now it is time to think. The eclipse remained only 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 seconds, or 2 seconds. And students, the right option is 5 seconds. The eclipse remained only 5 seconds. The river and fields were colorless, waterless, waving, or empty. According to Virginia Woolf, all the rivers and fields in the north of England were colorless, and the right option is colorless. The next question is at the time of solar eclipse, they thought that their dash god, sun god, moon god, earth goddess, or all. Students, here there is a point to be noted. God, as you're watching that, the God is written in small letter G. What is the reason behind small? Because when we talk about many gods, deities, then we write in small, and when we talk about Almighty God, one God, then we mention him as capital God. And the right answer is sun god. All the people who were onlookers, spectators, they were thinking about their sun god. And what is the name of that sun god? Apollo. They were thinking about Apollo. All realized that the sun was being showed, defeated, reached, cleared, and the right answer is defeated. They were thinking that the sun was defeated. All were pale, all were livid, red, black, or green, and all were livid. Livid is the right answer. And the last one is their relation with everything was dash and unique, old and unique, new and unique, familiar or bright, and the right answer is their relation with everything was new one, because they were having a new experience there at the time of solar eclipse.